How do you overcome the fear of inevitable death? I made peace with death a long time ago, to be honest. Whether we close our eyes and the world turns fully blank and there is everlasting nothingness and boredom, our existence bleak and miserable, or whether we die and go to a beautiful garden of roses and talk to St. Peter at the gates, who truly gives a F. You're going to die anyway, so why stress about it? Everyone will die someday, so make peace with it. And I actually have some tips on how to do just that. In order to do that, I feel we must look at the reason people fear death, which is the fact it is unknown. It is unwandered and uncovered, and anyone who claims they have even the slightest grasp of what happens when we die is nothing more than a moron. The thing is, just because it is the unknown, it does not mean we must fear it. I mean, look at tomorrow. Tomorrow is unknown. What if your girlfriend gets gang raped tomorrow or attacked by a pack of angry men? Who knows? Tomorrow is unknown. Sure, you may have a grasp of what is going to happen tomorrow, but it is just another chapter in your life. The same way death is just another chapter in existence as a whole. In some way, I'm excited to die someday. I'm excited to see what actually happens. What if we wake up in a place that is all forgiving and we all look around to find our loved ones who have already passed who are also laughing because here on earth we stressed about matters so trivial. Ultimately, overcoming the fear of death is done by realizing that